Making a playlist on YouTube. Firstly, let's go ahead into the YouTube, and from there you need to go to your account. So if not so, you can tap on the switch account option, and from there you can switch your YouTube account here, and you can select the correct account for making a playlist. After that, you need to select a video. Let's say I'm going over this. Can pause that like this and scroll down to find this three dots here. And if you tap on the three dots, you could find the save option here and just tap on the save here, and it will give you the list of options for saving that video. Let's say if you need to make a new playlist, you can tap on the new playlist here, and from there you can choose the title. You can choose the visibility like private, public, or unlisted. Public, anyone can search for and view. Unlisted, anyone with that link can view. Private, only you can view. So I'm going to the private, and I'm making it as recipes like this. And now I'm tapping on create. You could see this, that one has been saved to the recipes. Now let's say if you need to see that, you need to maximize this option here, the three lines. There you need to tap on the playlist like this, and here you could see that recipes, and that video has been added to the recipes here. This is how you make a playlist on YouTube. Thank you.